Hey friends, who's hungry? This simple and delicious Creole-inspired blackened catfish recipe is seasoned with a homemade spice rub and then topped with a savory tomato sauce. Measure 4 tablespoons of blackened seasoning in a large dish. I've linked to my homemade blackened seasoning recipe below. Liberally season both sides of 4 catfish fillets with the seasoning. Heat a cast iron skillet over medium-high heat. Once the skillet is very hot, add 2 tablespoons of butter. After the butter melts, add 2 of the catfish fillets. Pan fry for about 2 to 4 minutes per side, then flip and fry for another 2 to 4 minutes. The seasoning should start to turn dark brown and form a nice crust. Remove the fish from the skillet and keep warm. Repeat this with the remaining 2 catfish fillets. Melt another 2 tablespoons of butter in a skillet over medium heat. Add 1 diced green bell pepper, 1/4 cup of celery, and 1/4 cup of diced onion. Sauté the vegetables until tender, about 7 minutes. Add 2 cloves of minced garlic and sauté for another minute. Pour in 1 8-ounce can of tomato sauce, then stir in half a teaspoon of dried oregano, 2 teaspoons of Worcestershire sauce, and 1/8 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. You could even add a couple dashes of hot sauce for extra heat. Season the sauce with salt and pepper to taste, then serve the catfish with the sauce spooned over the top. Looking for more recipes? Watch my next video and be sure to subscribe to my channel.